Hi everyone, I'm Peter Jiveli from Think Education. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, I want you to subscribe and click the notification button to be notified whenever I post new video. We got a good topic coming up shortly. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back and welcome back to the next topic and we'll be discussing today. We will be discussing indexes. And indexes, a couple of things you need to know indexes before we go to solving the problem. To say in index, there's a rule that says when we multiply a number by itself, definitely the result is a square of the number. So if we multiply a number by itself, the result is a square of the number. You need to understand that points in index, meaning it will say 5 times 5. This 5 times 5 means that this is 5 square. Because we multiply these two numbers, we multiply them by itself 2 times, so it's a square of this number. The number written here is the exponent or the power. So the two notice number here is the exponent or the power, and here is called the base. So the number here is square. That is 5 times 5 give you 25. So 5 square exactly is going to be equal to 25, because in other words it means that it is 5 times 5 that give us this 25, which is this 5 here. So this definitely means it also implies in another rules in indexes, which we'll be discussing another time in subsequent time. It says that when we say 5 times 5, what derived at this 5 raised to the power of 2? Exactly that. Here has the exponent of 1 and here has the exponent of 1. And in multiplication and indexes, what you do is that you add the exponent and take n of the base. So we see that here if I have 5 the same base and 5 also the same base, so exactly what we're going to be doing here, we're going to take one of these 5, which is this, and we'll take 1 plus this 1, which will give us 2 here. In another subsequent time we'll give you topics of multiplication and indexes, but today we're definitely going to be looking at just indexes in general. So we understand that if we multiply a number by itself 2 times, it definitely tells us that this number is being multiplied twice, so it is a square of that number. So here we're going to be the square of that number. What if we multiply the number 3 times? What if we multiply the number 3 times? So we say 3 times 3 times 3. 3 times 3 times 3 give you the number cube, because this is exponent 1, exponent 1, and exponent 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3. You take n of this base here, give you the 3. So exponent definitely dictates to the number how well or how many times you need to multiply. That's what exponent does. It dictates to the number how many times you need to multiply. So if you put number here, you put 3. The 3 here dictates to 5 how many times it should be multiplied. That is 5 times 5 times 5, right? So 3 here dictates to 5 how many times it should be multiplied. So let's get into our problems. The few problems we have, let's get to solve them. Okay, from the understanding and the explanation, we got few problems. Let's solve them quickly. Let's get to the problem, and we say evaluate the following. We stay on the indexes, and the first question says 5 square, which is very simple. It's not a hard thing to do. And 5 square, exactly as we say in the explanation, is that the number raised to the power of 2, it dictates to the number 5 how many times it should be multiplied. So we have 5 square here. It tells us that it is 5 times 5, which will give us 25. So 25 have to be the answer to the problem here, because 5 raised to the power of 2 is equal to 25. Okay, we have the next problems that says 6 raised to the power of 2, which is very simple as well. So we're going to say 6 times 6, and we know 6 times 6 is just a turntable. 6 times 6 is just 36, right? 6 times 6 is just a 30. The next one says that 4 raised to the power of 3, and it's 4 cube. In other words, this raised to the power of 2 is called cube. Raised to the power of 3 is called cube. Raised to the power of 2 is called square. So 4 raised to the power of 3 means that 4 times 4 times 4. If you don't have a calculator, you want to do it with your hand, you're going to say 4 times 4. This give you 16. This gives you 16. So 16 times 4 give you what? So probably it's going to be 64 if I'm not mistaken. So let's multiply this. This is another topic. Multiplication is another topic. Let's do that in this problem. 4 times 6 is 24. You put 4 and then carry 2 up here. 4 times 1 is 4 plus is 2 is 6. So that's exactly going to give you 64. So 4 raised to the power of 3, which is 4 cubed, give you 64. Let's go to 3. 3 raised to the power of 3 is just 3 times 3 times 3. So 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 3 is just 27. So 9 times 3 is 27. So these are some of the ways that indices are being solved in real life. I hope you understood. If you have any question, please don't hesitate to comment and I will work on that. Thank you very much for watching.